everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Dietitian Jacqueline, and today we are making an incredible snack, so satisfying. These strawberry oat bars with 174 calories per bar, 6 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fiber. You are gonna wanna make these right away. So let's get baking. So good. These bars are super easy to make. I actually love throwing them in my kids' lunch boxes. A lot of times I'll just whip them up right in the morning. Just grab 2 ripe bananas, mash those up really well, add in your oats along with your peanut butter. You could also use almond butter if you prefer. Add in some vanilla extract and just roughly chop some fresh strawberries in there. If you wanted to enjoy this for breakfast, you certainly could, but I would still add in a bit more protein, either an omelet or a protein shake or Greek yogurt to round this out. Now, grab your batter. I like adding a little parchment paper to the bottom so that I make sure it doesn't stick, and just press that in there with your spatula. Go ahead and add in your dark chocolate chips. We're gonna bake this at 350 for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna remove it, top it with our coconut, and just bake for another 5 minutes. If you add your coconut ahead of time, it will burn. Make sure you allow this to cool for 10 minutes before we cut into 9 equal bars. When this comes out of the oven, it's going to smell amazing, but just remember to let them cool for about 10 minutes. And look at how easy that came out of the pan. Love the parchment paper for that reason. Cut them up into as many bars as you like. I did 9. You can make them smaller, you can make them bigger based on your preference. Either way, you're gonna love them. Enjoy.